ಸುರೇಶ್ ಪೈ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ.
Distinguished guests and dear friends, I'm very happy to be here this evening, especially on this Founders Day celebration, and with Mr. Danan Pai and other dignitaries on the dais. In fact, when the invitation went around, many people called me. I said, "Are you the same Suresh Pai?" Because I was never known in my friend circles or anybody for that matter as connected with the Jnana Jyoti Charitable Trust. I was always known for 40 years as a banker and next 3 years as an educationist, as the Dean of Christ University Commerce and Management. And subsequently, I thought I'll lead my retired life. But as it is said, the school life never leaves you. When I left the college, somebody said, "You may leave the college, but college will never leave you." Like this, Kannada High School or Kannada institutions, where I did my elementary and primary schooling, though I was not in touch with the school, when I left my banking career, somebody approached me. He said, "I passed out from Kannada High School. My mother used to tell me, you studied with lot of difficulty, and I have seen lot of Konkanis suffering for lack of finance. So we must do something. We should start a charitable trust. We need not do in a big way. Yatha Shakti, whatever is possible, we can start something." So we all joined together, started a Jnana Jyoti Charitable Trust with my wife and I being the president and secretary. And we are running this charitable trust for the past 18 years. This year, the secretary of the institution and the president, they came to our function where every year we go to Mangalore, we meet the awardees, we meet the parents, we tell them it is not a one-time giving of scholarship. We would like to be with you anytime, any help you want, we will be there with you. In fact, if you would have been in Mangalore, I would have been too happy to associate with the school in a bigger way, because in Christ we are doing mentoring exercise. Now every student is attached to a mentor, either the old student or a benefactor or a supporter. He is helping every student in all their lives, because I have seen as the dean of the university that we have knowledge. For example, Amambal Subraya used to say that nahi jnanena sadrishe pavitram iha vidaite. That means that knowledge is very important. Everybody stressed knowledge at every point of time. After that, that was in 1781. After that, in 1916, the Mysore University started with the same Nahi Jnanena Sadrisha as the motto. So knowledge has been spoken about all through. But now people are realizing knowledge is not enough. Learning is very, very important at all times. The lifelong learning is very important, which has been insisted by every organization, like maybe Deloitte, maybe McKinsey. They all talk about how to do life, learning for life. What I'm trying to say is, it is a responsibility of all of us, the alumni members, in what way we can contribute either to the school or to the students. Once we learn this as a learning exercise, we will be succeeding in our life as really able and devoted alumni members of Kannada institutions. Thank you very much.